Hey guys, it's the A-Guards coming to you guys. Today we have a kind of a unboxing and a review of the Thor Enemy Goggles. Let's see here. I picked these up from Foxy's in Janesville for $20. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right there it says $24.99. 95, not 99. So here's the goggles. Let me pick up my camera. So there's the enemy box. Now let's go ahead and unbox this. Oops. There goes my camera. So you got this. This thing is really sticky. But you take that and you pop that open. That folds open, and you got your goggles. Pull those out. Those are really nice. The colors come. You got. Let's move this box to the side. Okay, so you got this. This is attached. Let's set those aside. This is attached. I don't know why, to the back of the straps. Let's see. Do we have anything else in the box? We got this thing down in here. Let's see if there's anything in it. Okay. Let's put the box down. Move my stand. Okay. So we got. It says enemy. Guess we open the end like this. See if there is anything in here. Okay, that's nice. We got a cloth, or not a cloth, a case for your goggles. It's when you're moving around, transporting. And that's just about it. I guess I got my helmet here. I guess I'll grab that and throw them on. Like I said, these are really good goggles for $24. Okay. So we got my answer helmet. Just move this off to the side. The Thor goggles, they're anti-fog. Which I think I can take that off. I don't need that. They're really nice because they have these things. These, which you can buy tear-offs for. I'm gonna set my camera down for a second here so I can get them on. It's taking a second. Hold on. Don't want to wreck my camera. We're getting there. They've really got some nice sticky, grippy tape or whatever you want to call it on there. Sorry guys. They're being a pain. But I gotta loosen them up and move them around a little bit. But there's the. I got red because you can see my gloves and my gear and my Honda bike is red, so there's my goggles, the Thor Enemy. See you later. The A-Guards signing out.